Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2012 Honda Odyssey alternator. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal and set the keys aside. Position the van on level ground and chock the wheels. Gather basic tools like wrenches, a ratchet set, and a torque wrench. Inspect the serpentine belt and electrical connectors for wear. Keep a clean workspace and a tray for fasteners so parts stay organized throughout the repair. After safety steps, release belt tension and slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley carefully. Unplug the electrical connectors and remove the main power cable nut using the correct socket. Support the alternator and remove the mounting bolts, noting their locations for reassembly. Lift the alternator straight out and inspect the bracket and wiring for damage. Compare the old unit to the replacement to confirm matching mounts and electrical terminals before proceeding. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making helpful car repair content. Quick recommendation. For shop lunches and parts trays, I use leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tight and stack neatly, making cleanup and organization easy between jobs. They double as a convenient parts organizer during alternator swaps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator into position and thread the mounting bolts by hand to ensure proper alignment. Torque the bolts to factory specification and reconnect the main power cable and electrical plugs securely. Refit the serpentine belt over the pulley and release the tensioner to seat the belt. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine to verify charging at around 8 to 5 volts. Check for unusual noises and recheck bolt tightness after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.